Sometimes, does it feel like everyone else has already figured out how to make relationships work and that you're the only one who can't find the right one? It can be exhausting to deal with repeated breakups and bad dates and trying to manifest love. Plus, the constant battle of loneliness and dreaming of a better life. Don't you agree? It's normal to sometimes just want to give up. Maybe you have resigned yourself to the single life, even though you know deep down that you still yearn to find love. However, the good news is that no matter how bleak your experiences have been, it is possible to manifest love. Sometimes even with a specific person. Let's take a closer look at how the law of attraction can help you better understand your struggles and manifest love that lasts. Why can't I find love? If you're going to manifest your soulmate, it's vital to first understand why it is that your attempts to find love so often go awry. Everyone's story of looking for love is slightly different. However, there are often common factors in play that can block you from creating the romance you deserve to have. For example, you may find the following are true of you. You've unconsciously shut down. After being hurt and disappointed, a part of you may be trying to protect your heart from future pain. Unfortunately, this also shuts you off from the potential to find love as well. You have unfinished business. It's hard to attract love if you still have one foot in the past. Perhaps you've never quite processed a particularly rough relationship. Or maybe there's an old partner you find it hard to let go. You've lost faith. When you've been looking for love for a long time, you may stop believing that there's such a thing as a soulmate. You may be tempted to settle for an okay relationship rather than committing to a mission to find love. However, there are techniques that can teach you how to manifest love in general, or with a specific person. 4 steps to start looking for love with real intention. If you're looking to learn how to manifest love fast, the key message you need to internalize is that you have to start looking for love with real intention. What this means is that you must learn how to align yourself with a vibrational frequency that can attract love rather than further disappointment, and that you need to develop a vivid, clear sense of what you're actually trying to do when you aim to manifest love. Many of us never refine our concept of what looking for love means. The universe can't help us find love if we don't really know what we actually want. Here are 4 ways to start looking for love with real intention today. Make the decision you want to find love and design your life partner. Step 1. Essentially, you need to make the decision that you really want to attract this life partner. Then, truly commit to the idea of spending the rest of your life with this person. Making this commitment may involve processing old wounds, e.g. via journaling or therapy. Hopefully, the past can be left behind and you can opt to embrace hope instead of fear. Once you've made your decision, a big part of understanding how to manifest love with a specific person lies in getting a clear sense of what it is about this person that makes you believe that looking for love with them will truly make you happy. As such, part of making a manifestation commitment involves beginning to analyze yourself in a new, deeper way. Ask yourself the following about your needs and desires in your quest to find love. 1. What 5 to 10 words would you use to describe what you really want in a partner? 2. What personality traits in another person not only attract love from you but also help to bring out the very best in you? 3. How do you want to be treated by a partner? When looking for love, what are the behaviors that you will simply never tolerate? 4. What are your deepest, most heartfelt passions in life? 5. What do you consider to be your life's mission? Plus, what sort of partner can be a teammate on the road to achieving this goal? When you understand the answers to these types of questions about manifesting your soulmate, your mind and heart begin to focus on trying to find love that is based on true mutual understanding and excitement. You can do all kinds of creative techniques to bolster the designing of your life partner. For example, the Law of Attraction experts recommends daily visualization exercises in which you conjure up a vivid sense of what your life partner would be like. Meanwhile, you can also create a dream board that represents all the traits you're looking for and your image of how this relationship will improve your life. However, an important cautionary note is that you absolutely must set realistic expectations. It's not possible to manifest love with a perfect person because there is no such thing as a perfect person. You have to be willing to find love with someone who is perfect for you but who has some flaws and difficulties nonetheless. Learn how to connect with yourself. Step 2. There's an old cliché that claims you can't love others unless you love yourself. However, there is truth in this saying. It can have a major impact on whether you're able to successfully manifest love. Specifically, you attract love with people who are aligned with your vibrational state. So if you are down on yourself or lack confidence, you often find love only with people who treat you poorly and fail to recognize your worth. Therefore, looking for love with real intention requires you to form a deeper, more profound and accepting connection with yourself. Whether or not you feel it right now, everyone contains the essence of love. This is an infinite resource that you can draw on at all times. Not just when you're looking for love. Here are some tips that will help you develop this self-love, enabling you to manifest love with your soulmate. Become the person you want to attract. Take another look at the life partner you designed according to all the key qualities you value. Next, try to think of how you can cultivate those precise traits in yourself. For example, if ambition is on your list, ask yourself how you can work harder to achieve your goals, in work, and in life more broadly. Make time for self-care. Learning how to connect with yourself has a lot to do with tuning into your own needs. Consequently, then meeting those needs. When you make a habit of this, you're much more able to attract love with someone who will nurture you. One way to ensure you take better care of yourself while you're looking for love is to set aside an hour a day where you commit to pursuing a hobby you love. This should be no matter what other, more productive things you could be doing. Challenge your limiting beliefs. As with all law of attraction work, trying to manifest love requires you look at the underlying assumption that holds you back. In this case, limiting beliefs that might block you from finding love. Try to write them down first. Then identify where they came from. Most importantly, write down a contradictory belief that you can then turn into a daily affirmation. Here is an article to get you started with 3 tips for creating powerful affirmations. Let the universe know you are ready. Step 3. It's time to let the universe know you're truly ready to manifest your soulmate. Simply coming into a more positive vibrational alignment can certainly help you find love. However, there's also a specific process you can follow to help you attract love more quickly. These steps will open you up to a soul-deep connection with the specific person you want to find love with. Set a clear intention. First, write something down until you get the words right. Then when you're happy, say them out loud as you look at yourself in the mirror. Some examples include, I am ready to manifest love and I open my heart to my one true soulmate, and my mind is clear, my heart is open, and I am ready to welcome my soulmate in. Affirm your belief in your soulmate. While you've already worked hard to combat limiting beliefs and create a clear image of the person you want to be with, you make it easier for the universe to send that person your way if you constantly stay connected to your belief that they exist. Try daily affirmations, written or spoken, like, I am looking for love, and my soulmate is on their way to me. Plus, nothing will stop me from receiving the love of my soulmate. Multi-sensory visualization. Take your creative visualization further and begin to spend longer daily sessions imagining every aspect of being with your soulmate. The stronger this mental image, the stronger the pull you will exert on them. Think not only about how they will look, but also how they will sound, smell and feel. You might also try picturing significant moments in your life. For example, visualize events like sharing a bed for the first time, getting married or having children. Trust and understand the process. Step 4. As you work to manifest your soulmate, the final stage of your journey to attract love involves cultivating patience. Embrace this sense of peace as you accept that the universe can, and will, give you what you need. Although you've been focusing on how to manifest love with a specific person, looking for love through the law of attraction techniques rests on your ability to trust that the universe knows exactly what kind of partner can help you manifest love that lasts. Don't fret about when you're going to find your soulmate. But rather, rest easy in the knowledge that you will find them at the perfect time. Do you want to manifest more money, love and success by just reprogramming your brain? Click the link in the description to learn how you can do it. If you like this video, please do comment, like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more manifestation videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video.